Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel for nurses preparation. I am Neeraj Kumar Kathal. Today we are discussing few important diseases with their important clinical manifestations or signs and symptoms. This is part 2 of this video series. You can watch previous part that was also important. So let's begin our today's video. Our first disease is pulmonary tuberculosis. It is also known as TB. Pulmonary tuberculosis is a serious bacterial disease that affects lungs. Pulmonary tuberculosis is a serious bacterial infection that affects the person's lungs. It is caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The causative organism of this TB disease is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Important signs and symptoms includes low grade afternoon fever. Low grade afternoon fever is related with the pulmonary tuberculosis. In exams, examiner can ask low grade afternoon fever is related with which condition? So you have to answer this is related with pulmonary tuberculosis or TB. Next disease is asthma. Asthma is a disease condition in which person's airway become inflamed, narrow, swelled and produces extra mucus which makes difficult to breathe. Asthma is a condition in which person's airway become inflamed. It produces excess mucus. Due to this, person's airway passage become narrow and this causes difficulty in breathing. If you want to diagnose the person is having asthma or not, you have to focus upon his breathing pattern. Person is having whistling sound or wheezing sound when he expirate or exhales air. Next disease condition is cholera. Cholera disease is important disease as point of view of examination. Cholera is a bacterial disease causing diarrhea and dehydration, usually spread by contaminated water. We can simply say cholera is a serious disease condition caused by the bacteria. In this disease condition, diarrhea occurs following dehydration, and the most common route of spread of this disease is fecal-oral route, or we can say it spreads with the contaminated water and food. It can be fatal if not treated right way. If a person is having cholera and if he not get proper treatment, he can die due to dehydration. The causative organism of this disease condition is Vibrio cholera. Vibrio cholera is a type of bacteria. Rice water stool and washerwoman's hand. Now let's talk about the important signs and symptoms or clinical manifestation of this cholera disease. The person is having rice water stool and washerwoman's hand. Washerwoman's hand means wrinkles in the hand due to dehydration. Wrinkles appear in the hand due to dehydration is an important clinical symptom of this disease. You can take a screenshot for your revision. Next disease condition is diabetes mellitus. In short, it is known as DM. High blood glucose level. Diabetes mellitus is a condition in which person's blood glucose level is very high. The three important features of this disease are polydipsia, excessive thirst, polyphagia, excessive hunger, and polyuria, excessive urination. This is the very important symptoms of the disease, and these all are asked in the previous exams. So you can mark it as star. Next is GBS. It is a related with nervous system disease. GBS stands for Guillain-Barré syndrome. Immune system attacks own nerves. Immune system provides us immunity. Immunity means disease resisting power of a person's body. In this disease condition, person's immune system attacks his own nerve cells. So important sign of this disease condition is ascending muscle weakness. Ascending muscles weakness is a important sign of GBS disease. It was also asked in previous nursing exams. You can mark it star also. Next disease condition is malaria. Malaria disease is caused by the Plasmodium parasite. Plasmodium parasite, and this Plasmodium parasite transmitted by bite of infected mosquito, that is female Anopheles mosquito. Malaria disease is due to Plasmodium parasite, and this Plasmodium parasite is transmitted in person's body by the female Anopheles mosquito. Important signs and symptoms of this disease include step ladder fevers with chills. A person is having step ladder type of fever with chills. Next is diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA. Diabetic ketoacidosis is a condition in which excessive ketone bodies are present in body. A person's body is having excessive or large amount of ketone bodies in it. This condition known as diabetic ketoacidosis. Acetone breath. His breath seems like a fruity smell. You can simply say acetone breath means. Next disease condition is basilar skull fracture. If a person is having fracture of the base of skull bone, if a person is having base skull bones fracture, this condition known as basilar skull fracture. Two important signs related with this condition are raccoon eyes and battle sign. First talk about the raccoon eyes. This is also an important sign. In raccoon eyes condition, periorbital ecchymosis occur. Raccoon is basically an animal and his eyes or orbital area looks dark. So if a person is having basilar skull fracture, his orbital area, periorbital area becomes dark or black colored. So it seems like raccoon animal. So we can say raccoon eyes is related with the basilar skull fracture. And the second sign of this disease is battle sign. In this, mastoid ecchymosis occur. Ecchymosis or discoloration of the color on the mastoid bone, just near to the ear, mastoid bone is located, and this space become discolored, and this condition known as the battle sign. You can take a screenshot for your revision. All the conditions and all the signs are important that are described in this slide. Next disease condition is pancreatitis. Pancreatitis means inflammation of the pancreas. In this disease condition, two important signs are seen: Cullen sign and Gray Turner's sign. What is Cullen sign? Cullen sign means ecchymosis of the umbilicus. Just around the umbilicus, ecchymosis or discoloration occurs. If a person's umbilicus is discolored, this known as Cullen sign, and it indicates pancreatitis. Second sign is Gray Turner sign, in which bruising of the flanks, the lateral part of the abdomen become discolored. This known as the Gray Turner sign. It is related with the pancreatitis. Next condition is pyloric stenosis, gastric outlet obstruction. In our stomachs, duodenum's near part, hypertrophy of cells occur, and this condition known as pyloric stenosis. In this condition, olive-like mask and pyloric vomiting, projectile vomiting is mostly seen. Olive-like mask means a muscular structure felt at the abdominal near to the duodenum region when palpating. Projectile vomiting is a type of vomiting in which person vomits and his vomit thrown several feet. So this is the important sign of pyloric stenosis. You can take a screenshot for your revision. Thanks for watching. All the best.